Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And you know what? I'm in my hometown here, as you can see from the greens behind me. So the specialty of my hometown is like we do village type cooking, which is nothing but cooking on firewoods and coconuts and some more like that. So the history goes like my dad used to do it, then my granddad used to do it, then his dad 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 used to do it, and yeah. So I thought, why can't I do it? And I was just thinking, why can't I show you how does it look like? So if you want to watch how does village type cooking looks like, please subscribe to my channel. So let's get going. Okay, so this is known as firewood, which we usually use for burning. Whoa, the fire's up. Okay, pretty hot here. And this is a special type of pot we use here. It's known as urli in my language. So this pot is very special because it is easy for cooking and it cooks very slowly, and anything cooked in this is very delicious. So first let's pour some oil. Now we'll add 2 sticks of cinnamon, 4 cloves and 1 cardamom. Now we'll add our onions inside. Now we'll slightly caramelize it by just stirring it. Oh, the smoke is very intensive here. Now we'll add some curry leaves. Just tightly stir once again. Okay, this fire is going off. So I added some chili and now I'm just mixing it. Put some ginger garlic paste and stir once again. Now let's put our shrimps. So let's keep mixing it. Oh my god. And now let's just cover this and cook it for 2 minutes. Okay, whoa, okay, that was a hard lid. So let's put some chili powder inside, then turmeric powder and coriander powder, and mix it until the color changes. Okay, so let's add some diced tomatoes and mix it. Ah, this smells nice. And now it's covered and cook for 5 minutes. Oh, the lid is hot. Oh, it smells nice. Wow. It doesn't smell like shrimp, it smells like sausages. That's it, guys. This is what I call my kind of village cooking. And I assure you, if you try this once at your home, you will want to try it again and again and again. It's so delicious. So, if you guys like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so I can keep you entertained with more delicious videos. So, see ya. Bye bye.